Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a Google account and browser. First, sign into the Google account you will use to store work. Next, open Colab through Google Apps or search and click New Notebook to create an IPN file. Make sure to grant drive permissions so Colab can save automatically. Once done, rename the notebook at the top to a clear, descriptive name. This avoids confusion later and ties the file to the correct drive folder. Now you will structure and run your work. Add code cells for Python snippets and press Shift+Enter to execute. Colab provisions a VM so code runs in the cloud. Insert text cells to document goals and methods with markdown headings and lists for clarity. Manage resources by selecting Runtime, then change runtime type to enable GPU or TPU if needed. Choose Python version compatibly. Also, organize files with the left side file browser and mount drive when you need persistent storage. Finish by saving and sharing correctly. Colab autosaves to drive, but manually use file, then save a copy in drive for a distinct backup, and set share permissions to invite collaborators with view or edit rights. Export a local copy as IPN or Py for portability, and use version history to revert unintended changes. If the runtime disconnects or packages break, reconnect, restart the runtime, or choose factory reset runtime to clear state. This usually resolves environment or dependency conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.